Hello, friends. With COVID, all of us are concerned about our own health and the health of our loved ones. One of the vital parameters that many of us measure is our oxygen saturation. Some of us don't understand how do we interpret the numbers. So, as much as I understand, 93 is a red flag and it means that you need to get medical attention. But all the way from 94 to 100 is quite a big range where you are not necessarily requiring medical attention, and we don't know how to improve our saturation. So in Indian philosophy and in Indian tradition, there is a wonderful pranayam which is called Anlom Vilom Pranayam. In English, we refer to it as alternate nostril breathing, which improves the oxygen saturation. In the last 2.5 months, I have used this technique at least you know 20 times, and I have seen my saturation levels improve from 96 to 99 in a span of 1 or 2 minutes. I'm sure it's going to be very useful for everyone. So I thought I'll do a small demonstration to show how this helps. What I have got here is a oxygen saturation measurement pulse oximeter. So let's see what my saturation is right now. Um, so let's give it a weight. So yeah, right enough. My oxygen generally shows between 96 and 98. I am an asthma patient, so it does not show 99 too very often. But yeah, I do maintain a healthy lifestyle, especially in terms of exercise. So right now it's showing 99. So unfortunately, I may not be able to show you the upward tick from 96, 97, 98 and 99, and this meter just goes up to 99. It doesn't have the third digit, so 99 probably also means 100. So even at this 98, 99, you can see it's fluctuating. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to do this pranayam, so you know how to do it. It's alternate nostril. So what you really do is you close this one nostril of yours and you breathe in from the opposite nostril. So when I have closed my right nostril, I will breathe in from my left. Now after having breathed in from my left nostril, I will release my tongue from here and I will block this other nostril. Now the air is already in my lungs, I have not yet breathed out, and then I will breathe out from the other nostril. Having breathed out from here, I will breathe in again from the same nostril. Having breathed in, now again I will switch my finger, lock this nostril from where I have taken my breath in, and breathe out from the opposite one. So you do this in a continuous flow. I, for the purpose of demonstration, was speaking in the middle of doing it, but now I will do a few rounds of it without speaking. So you need to just observe me. And unfortunately, since my saturation is already 99, you won't be able to see the 96, 97, 98 and 99. Like I said, in the last 2.5 months, I've done this at least 20 times when my saturation is 96 and 97. I do this pranayam, and in like 100 seconds, my saturation reaches 99. So here you go, and you typically keep your eyes closed. You try to, get into a zero mode. Sit in a comfortable posture, not necessarily with your legs folded, especially if you have back problems and don't feel comfortable with sitting on the floor and folding your legs. It's okay to be sitting on a chair or on a stool and having your back rested rather than without a backrest. So do observe. Well, yeah, this has gone to 98 for the moment, so maybe it's going to go to 99. So yeah, next 1 odd minute. so I'll stop now. My saturation is 99. If it was below 99, it would have had surely gone to 99. I've done that a few times. So you do this breathing exercise for about 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes, and that's it. In the pandemic with COVID, doing this 2 times a day, and if the need be, maybe 3 or 4 times a day, will only make sure that at some point, if your saturation has gone down, you just do this and your saturation goes up to 99, and it makes sure that you remain healthy, you remain fit, and you kind of, are able to tide over this difficult times of COVID in a healthy way. Thank you. Do like this video. If you liked it, do share it with your colleagues. I'm so sorry I couldn't show you the uptick, but do it for yourself, especially if your readings are showing you 95, 96, 97. Please do this equal breathing pranayam. Measure your saturation.